Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial from TechHiveHQ. This is going to be easy and quick. Let's say for example you want to record the progress that you have been doing on your app on an emulator, or you just want to take a screenshot. So you're going to open up your emulator. Let's say you're not using a virtual device like I am, so it works even the same. So you're going to click on running devices. You're going to click on here, the camera action is going to take a screenshot. It's taking a screenshot of the instructional device, and this is going to copy to clipboard, and you're going to have that, and you can click on save. You can choose where you want to save. You can just save it there, okay? Then you can close. But if you also want to do a demonstration, you can click on record screen. Bitrate, just leave it at default. Click on start recording, and then you can show them your app. You can show them when you refresh. You can show them settings, more options. So most of these have not been set. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. And then you can click on stop recording, click OK, and it will save. Show in Explorer. And this is basically the screen recording. As you can see, that's basically how you do it. So it makes it easy if you're not using an actual device. So if you like this and it was helpful, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment so that other people can find it. See you in the next one. Bye. Peace.
Perfect.